Can you believe it? This boy traded his iPhone 20 for this rotten piece of wood. The passers-by laughed at him as a fool. When his wife got the news, she was also furious. Said his brain was kicked silly by a donkey, but the boy ignored it and continued to study the piece of wood all day. After 7 days and nights of hard research by the boy, when the finished product finally came out, instantly attracted the onlookers of the whole village. There was even a local wealthy man who offered $300 to buy it on the spot. This shocked everyone present. Didn't expect this useless piece of wood. After the boy's hard-working hands, it became something that everyone could not afford. It's incredible. So the boy posted the finished product making process on the internet. Big collectors from all walks of life are rushing to buy it. Another rich man is willing to offer $5,000 to make a custom one. The boy also became a celebrity because of it, made millions of dollars. So what's so magical about this work of art? Next, I will share the production process with you. The production process is very decompressing and will definitely amaze you when you see the end. When you look at this stage, this exquisite table is finished. Although the video is only a few minutes long, but in fact it took the boy 7,746 hours to complete this task. So everyone encourages artisans. Your support is the driving force behind our creation. Thank you very much. Can you evaluate this table? If the maximum score was 100, how many points would you give him? Welcome to the comments section. See you next time.